Hello everyone. In this video, let us learn how to create a website using HTML and CSS. This video is jointly created by Sarveshyam and Harivignesh D. Before entering into our concept detailedly, first let us know the terms website, HTML and CSS. Next let us learn what is a website. A website is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified through a common domain name and it is present in at least one web server. The notable examples are google.origin, yahoo.com. Next let us learn what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard markup language which is used for the documents that are designed to be displayed on the web browser. HTML is assisted through technologies such as cascading style sheets and JavaScript. Now let us start to create a website. For this purpose, open a folder in your desktop. Then open Notepad file and save it in your newly created folder with a name as extension.html. Here I saved as home.html as my file name. Then open another WordPad file and save it with extension.css. Here I saved it as style.css. These two steps are very important. Now enter the following codes which is displayed on the screen in your notepad. These codes is the sample for creating a basic website. HTML is composed of different types of tags. All documents start with HTML tag. Here we open many tags. Never forget to close it by inserting slash on the tag. Every document has a heading tag and a body tag. In a heading tag, there is a title tag. Here you can enter the title that you need for your website. It will be displayed on the left corner of the screen. Here I entered my title as We Are Creative. Now the next step is to link the CSS file here. This tag is used for this purpose. As I saved my CSS document with style.css, I entered it here as style.css. Now let us give the logo and background for our website. For this purpose the div tag is used. Then for background we can give what image we need. To link the image here, right click the image, go to its properties at the bottom, copy the location of the image by pressing Ctrl+C key. Then paste it in the tag of image SCR, that is image source. In many websites we usually see home tag, about tag and contact buttons. When we see it, we click it. It navigates us to the content. Here nav area tag is used for this purpose. In all websites there will be a heading, that is the h1 tag, which is used for this purpose, and span tag is used to give space. Our website title is We Are Creative, and additionally here we have contact us button. When we click it, it provides us the contact details and email. Wait. Now you will get a small doubt that what is the use of CSS? Let me explain it. Wait, then what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is a style sheet language which is used to describe the presentation of a document which is written in a markup language like the HTML. Simply, CSS is used to align, give color and effects adjusting height, and all editing of website is done here with appropriate tags like margin, padding, font style, color, font size, background, etc. Think so now you can understand that why CSS is very much important in creating a website. Next let us look into the codes of this CSS file. These are all the codes of CSS that we have linked in our HTML file. This gives us the final touch to our website in the form of enhancing it more beautifully. I think you are eagerly waiting for the output. Have a look on it. I hope this video would be useful for you when you create a website. Thank you for watching.